Krylon Classic. For decades, it was the go-to. Now it's back and remade for the way you work today. Powered by a Lacquer formula, fast-drying spray paint, a durable finish that lasts. Krylon Classic works on nearly any surface, from wood and metal to ceramic, glass, and most plastics. Available in gloss, satin, and metallic, whatever the project calls for. Before you start, gather your materials. Start with a clean, dry surface. When it's time to spray, hold the can 8 to 10 inches away. Use slow, steady, overlapping passes, releasing at the end of each pass for a smooth, even finish. Classic works fast, drying in just 15 minutes. And with a Recoat Anytime formula, whenever you're ready for a second coat, Classic is too. And with a wide range of on-trend colors, plus a collection of iconic throwback shades, the right shade is always within reach. More projects, less time. That's Krylon Classic. To make a classic, it takes a classic.